So ever since I posted this video about removing AI in web results, I received some requests for doing it in mobile, and I'm super happy to hear that people are rejecting AI search. So even though I don't use a smartphone anymore, which I'll make a video about soon, I decided to take out my old iPhone and figure out a way to do this. So this is my personal recommendation for how to remove AI search from mobile. So unfortunately, we can't customize our search engine as easily as we can do in the browser, but the alternative that I would go with is to install DuckDuckGo and then set that as your default. Because even when you go to the App Store and you look for DuckDuckGo, you're going to see that it says AI optional. Now that's like almost a sales pitch for people that don't want AI. So when you install the app, it takes you through this welcome screen and it will guide you through setting up the settings. So you just click on choose your browser when you see this. And then it's going to pop you into your settings and then it shows you what to click. You just click default browser app and now you change it over to DuckDuckGo. And then it also guides you through putting DuckDuckGo in your dock. I'll do that later in this video just so I can skip ahead to the important part. Then a few more settings for you to configure. And then here, if you're installing it for the first time, it actually asks you if you want AI. And you can reject that immediately by selecting search only. If you're not installing DuckDuckGo for the first time, or you actually want to enhance this and turn off even more features, what you can do is just click on the gear icon and then go down to AI features, just click manage, and then you have 3 things that you can toggle. So I'm going to disable everything. So Duck AI is turned off, and then I'm going to change search assist to be never. And then I'm also going to filter out AI generated images. So now I'll just save and exit, and then those changes will become your default. And if you're also trying to limit your social media usage like me, I actually learned that you can very easily block social media websites from appearing in your search results from someone who commented on my last video. Thank you, ZexSQ. I don't know if you're subscribed to me, but thanks anyway. If I type in Instagram, I can actually click these 3 dots and block the website. So now it's no longer going to appear in my search results. So over here, you still see Instagram, but that's because this URL starts with about, so it's considered a separate URL. But I can also block that one, and then TikTok I'm going to block. And then I'll just show you how to move DuckDuckGo to your Docker. So you just have to find where that app icon is after you installed it. I'm just going to move it to my home screen, and from there, you just press onto it, let it wiggle, and then drag it down to your dock. Which I know my iPhone configuration looks weird, but I've been doing like a lot of experiments on reducing it down as much as possible. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful.